How to keep your feet healthy. 6 tips for maintaining foot health. Feet are the foundation of the body, and it is vital to keep them in good condition. Not going barefoot, wearing appropriate footwear, and maintaining good hygiene can delay the appearance of abnormalities. They help you stay healthy through physical activity and provide freedom of movement. 6 tips for maintaining foot health and freedom of movement. 1. Clean your feet daily and wear clean, dry socks. Wash your feet daily with lukewarm water. Do not use hot or cold water. Water that is too hot or too cold can damage your skin, in particular in people with diabetes who have decreased skin sensitivity. 2. Keep your blood sugar under control. Diabetes can affect your feet. High blood sugar levels can cause nerve damage and loss of feeling in the skin. Reduced blood flow can make it harder for your feet to heal from injury or resist infection. Regular physical activity and proper nutrition are key to preventing type 2 diabetes and maintaining adequate blood sugar levels. Whether you have diabetes or not, daily physical activity is important to prevent and manage many chronic conditions and diseases. 3. Cut nails carefully and regularly. Keep your nails trimmed, but not too short. Nails that are cut too short can become ingrown and cause pain or infection. It is best to cut your nails straight across and then file the edges very carefully. 4. Hydrate your feet at night. Keep the skin on your feet soft and healthy by moisturizing every night. This will help prevent itching or cracking. Avoid putting lotion between your toes. 5. Always wear well-fitted shoes. Poorly fitting shoes can cause blisters that can lead to infections or other problems. If shoes irritate your feet, be sure to choose shoes that do not irritate your feet. 6. Inspect your feet regularly. Check your feet for blisters, redness, small cuts, or cracked skin. Use a magnifying hand mirror if you can't see the soles of your feet. Please contact a doctor or physical therapist if you notice any problems. I invite you to watch the full video until the end. I assure you that you will not regret knowing everything you can do to help the health of your body. Tell me in the comments if you like medicinal plants and if you consume them frequently. Natural recipes for the treatment and health of your feet. Hardness of the feet. Ivy and garlic poultice. The emollient property of ivy and the caustic strength of garlic combine here to combat foot hardness. Ingredients: ivy and garlic. Preparation: crush and mix the ivy and garlic and place them in a cheesecloth. Use. Apply the poultice on the affected area. Prevent the mixture from coming into contact with the rest of the skin, using a trim tape or applying petroleum jelly around this area. Foot fungus, cinnamon infusion. In washes, cinnamon acts on the skin against certain fungi and bacteria, affecting our feet. Ingredients: 5 grams of cinnamon stick, 1 cup of water. Preparation: boil the water and pour it over the cinnamon. Cover and let stand for 10 minutes. Use. Wash the affected area several times with the infusion, using compressor cotton. Let it dry naturally. Bunions. An excellent way to combat bunions is to spend about 20 minutes every day with your feet up, about 20 to 30 centimeters from your head. There is also a massage technique to soothe the ailment of toes. It involves stretching the big toe with one hand while fixing it with the other and then gently turning on itself to the right and left. But the best vaccine against bunions is always to wear healthy shoes. Feet damaged by sweat, natural avocado cream. This remedy is very effective against itching and inflammation on the feet due to sweat and friction. Ingredients: 1 avocado, 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil. Preparation: peel avocado and make a small mush with the pulp, mixed with the olive oil. Once a homogeneous substance has been obtained, it is reserved in the refrigerator. Use. It is applied cold as a cream on the injured part, absorbing it for half an hour. Both ingredients soften and regenerate the skin. The Nature Best Remedies trick. Scuffing from shoes can sting and swell your feet. Instead, mix an avocado and olive oil pulp and make a porridge to apply cold for 30 minutes on the wound. We hope you liked this video, and if so, let us know in the comments. I would also like to know from which city and country we are receiving your unconditional support. We like to know those things about you as it is very important to us. If you made it this far, we would like you to leave green hearts in the comments so we will know that you are one of the people who watched the video until the end, and we thank you with all our hearts. Remember that you can subscribe to the channel as totally free, just like sharing the video. See you in the next video friends, until next time.